Good morning everyone. Today we are going to solve class 5 science assignment. Lesson number 8, light and shadow, from your Sadhana workbook, page number 58 and 70. Let us solve this assignment. First one, differentiate between the following: convergent and divergent rays. So we have to differentiate between convergent and divergent rays. We will see the picture first. This is divergent rays, children. This is convergent rays, right? So you will see the difference now. Convergent is when the light rays from a nearby large source come too close to meet or converge as a single point is called convergent rays. Second is the divergent rays. When light is given off from a small source is known as divergent rays. Like example, candles, the rays appear to spread out in all directions. So like that it is happening for a candle. This is a divergent rays. Second one, solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. We have to differentiate between solar eclipse and the lunar eclipse. So we will see the picture first. This is the solar eclipse. This is the lunar eclipse, right? So you will see the difference. When the sun is completely covered by the moon, it is known as solar eclipse. And what about lunar eclipse? When the moon is completely covered by the earth's shadow is known as lunar eclipse. Next, fill in the blanks with the help of words provided in the torch. There are some words provided inside the torch. We have to take those words and we have to put according to the blanks. First one they have asked, light travels in dash lines from a dash of light that bounces off by an object. So we will see you can see here, yes, we will see the light travels in straight lines from a source of light that bounces off by an object, right? Next one is, we can see the object because the dash enters our eyes. What is entering our eyes? What is this, children? It is the light. The light is the source is entering into our eyes. It will get reflect and it will come to our eyes. Then we will able to see the object. Third one, wood and cardboard are dash materials that light cannot pass through. Which type of materials it is? Yes, it is opaque objects, right? So here will be the answer, opaque. Next, fourth one, dash is a dash material that light can pass through. We will see the photo. What is this, children? Glass. So glass is a transparent material that light can pass through. Fifth one, tissue paper is a dash material which will let some light to pass through. Which type of material the tissue is? It is translucent. Yes, children, it is translucent. So here the answer will be translucent. Sixth one, when an object blocks the path of dash, a dash is formed. This is what, children? The light is getting blocked by an object, the shadow will form. So what will be in the blank? When an object blocks the pathway of light, a shadow is formed. Last one, shadows are dash at midday and dash at beginning and end of the day. We will see the picture. Here are different times. You can see the shadows as well. So what will be the answer? Shadows are shortest at midday and longest at beginning and end of the day. I hope, children, you all have understood this assignment nicely. Thank you. Have a nice day.